Hi everyone, my name is Evelyn. Welcome to A Simple Tweak. Today I'm going to share with you the most flavorful chicken leg quarters ever. This is a budget-friendly recipe that everyone in your family will love. These chicken legs are seasoned with a wet rub that infuse the meat with so much flavor. Let me show you the ingredients. You will need garlic powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, chili powder, black pepper, salt, and some oil. Now let's combine all the ingredients. You can use this rub on a whole chicken for baking or grilling, or you can even use it on your vegetables, like I did in this recipe with carrots and potatoes. After the chicken legs are clean, you can pat dry them with a paper towel. This will ensure a crispy chicken. Now, using our hands, let's season the chicken. This can be messy, but I promise you it is worth it. Once your chicken is coated with the wet rub, place them in the baking sheet and bake them in the oven for about 40 minutes to an hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's prepare the vegetables. I decided to pair these chicken legs with some carrots and potatoes. Place the vegetables in a baking pan and season them with some of the wet rub. Let's put them in the oven. After 45 minutes, you end up with the most juiciest and flavorful chicken leg quarters. Make sure to leave your comments in the section down below and visit my website, asimpletweak.com, for more recipes like this one.